Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off your ASUS TUF A15 laptop without pressing the power button. Let's get started. Check if your laptop supports wake option. Most ASUS laptops, including the TUF A15, allow you to power it on through the keyboard, the lead, or even when plugging in the charger. To set this up, you will need to go into the BIOS. To enter the BIOS, first shut down your laptop completely. Now press the F2 key and then the power button to turn on your laptop. If your power button is already broken, don't worry, you only need to set this once while it's still working and then you won't need that button again. Inside the BIOS, go to the Advanced Settings tab. Look for settings like Power on by keyboard, wake on lead open, or power on by AC adapter. If you choose power on by keyboard, you can set a specific key like the spacebar or any key to turn on your laptop. If you enable wake on lead open, your laptop will power on automatically whenever you open the screen. If you turn on power on by AC adapter, your laptop will switch on automatically whenever it's plugged into the charger. Once you select the option you like, press F10 to save and exit. Now you don't need to press the power button anymore. And that's it. That's how you can turn on your ASUS TUF A15 laptop without using the power button. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.